welcome this channel. Today's lesson is UITouch to access our view controller main view to access default gesture action. So first of all, run our blank project. We have not adding any gesture, but this is a blank screen. So we are adding our view dot background color. So dot white. This is a white screen over app, but click and move in our view controller view, not perform any action. We have required to click our view to activate our view controller default gesture method. So and detect our click events. So first of all, we UI view controller is default provided. This is touch begin. Touch is UI set of UI touch, and UI event is the get. So we need any only action. The touch begin. So print copy and touch begin. Action is performed. This not any action is required. Adding gesture method. This is only default provided. This only click tap to click and tap our view to call this method. And second method is touch move. So clicking after press your click action and move your finger in your screen to call this touch move action. First of all, call this begin and move any in click already pressed. First click and then move to call touch moved event, and ended event is detected after end over events and move your finger in screen and up. So this call this ended method. First of all, click and this end, click and click and click move and end, click move and end. This is print here, click move and end, click move and end. This is a default UI touch action is provided by background is working gesture is provided by default in all view controllers. Access main view touch event, not any sub view event. This is a main view touch event. So thank you watching this video. Like video, share video and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell, you will get notification my latest video. Thank you.